Hey, this is McSquirgle. Pretty excited today because I've got an unpackaging. This box from BladeHQ. It's their newly released Spyderco Lum Tanto. It's an exclusive that BladeHQ's done with Spyderco. They did another about a year ago. That one had a DLC coated M390. This one's the satin version of the Lum Tanto and M390. I'm pretty excited. I've been reading up on this release. I guess some people weren't so happy with what they got with the fit and finish. I think people had problems with some of the chamfering and the lockup and centering of the blade, things like that, fit and finish issues like that. So I'm curious to see if I got a good one here. I hope I do. I really like the design. I have high hopes for this. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm using my Spyderco Stretch 2 XL. This is also a Seki City, Japan Spyderco with G10. I felt like it made sense to use this one since this is also a Seki City Japan Spyderco knife with G10. So G10 Seki City, G10 Seki City. Let's open it up. BladeHQ's packaging here. Lots of packing peanuts. There's your box. Good old Spyderco box. I don't hate it. Wow, it's pretty big. See it next to the Stretch 2 XL. It's about Stretch 2 XL size. Wow, okay. I think it's gorgeous. I really do like it. There is some roughness to it, but I don't hate it. Looks like I see perfect centering here. Yeah, just about perfect. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. Wow, hollow grind on this M390. Doesn't come to too thin of an edge, but I do appreciate that it is hollow ground to get the thinness back behind the edge. And this this Americanized Tanto tip is flat, so you can make great use of that Tanto. Liner lock, about almost 50% lockup, not quite. Phosphor bronze washers, steel liners. The pocket clip, the Spyderco spoon style pocket clip. I guess the lanyard hole is prioritized. Some people have a problem with that. I don't hate it. I don't really care. There is no jimping on the spine here. It's totally smooth. Feels great in hand. It feels good. It looks badass, dude. Okay. I am not mad. Not mad about this at all. The G10 is very grippy. Sort of similar to a PM2. It's grippier than even on my Stretch 2 XL. Well, this is just an unboxing. I'm looking forward to carrying this, and hopefully soon I'll get you guys a review. Thanks for watching.